Hello friends. Welcome to PGEUP Tutorials. Today we going for our 7th class of Camtasia Complete Learning course. In this class we are going to learn about the visual effects. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start. So these are the visual effects. This is the drop shadow feature. Let's explore it. This is the border feature. Let's explore it and see how it works. The colorize and color adjustment feature is almost the same. It is used to adjust the colors. This the device frame feature. It will frame your video. We can change the device from the properties. This is the clip speed feature. It is used to change the speed of the clip. And finally, remove the color feature. It is used to remove the color. It is mostly used to change the background of the videos. Let's try it. I am uploading a file with a plain color background. Just pick a color that you want to remove. We can also adjust the settings from here. So this is the visual effects. I hope you liked the video. In the upcoming lecture we'll discuss further sections. And if you like our video, please like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.